We polished the tail light because it was not so shiny. See, we repolished the plastic with a special product. We paint the rear fender, and most important, we add this paralink, we call it, is a protection for the link and the shock absorber. Because you have a needle bearing, they get wet, they dry, and then they oxidize, and they grind really the shaft here inside. So, and we change the sprocket. As you can see, starting from the original fender, we have a little bit restyle in it. Then we have different headlight, LED headlight. We changed the radiator because they were stuck, and we put our radiator grill. They match very nicely with the aluminum radiators. Of course, it's a must. You have to have these beautiful aluminum grills. They have this spoiler that fetch more air into the grills, so they enhance the dissipation of heat. Then we have our side panel on the rear. This is our sprocket cover. Why do we make this one? We make this because the standard one goes around the gear shift shaft. So you have to remove shift pedal before removing the sprocket cover. In our case, you just remove a single screw, okay, just like this, and you lift up sprocket cover like this, and you have access to the sprocket to clean.
Mettilo indietro.
Then we have the chain slider, which is open in front, so you can put it on without removing the swing arm like the original one. And also another chain slider underneath here that has a plate, can be replaced without removing the complete unit. You only take the top out and slide in the new slider. Cover also that we made